Manelord Auto Body Repair Tool Kit, Car Dent Puller with Double Pull Bridge Dent Puller, Glue Puller Tabs, Glue Shovel for Auto Dent Removal, Minor Dents, Door Dings and Hail Damage. Attention, this dent puller item does not include glue gun and glue sticks. We suggest user purchase hot melt glue gun and hot melt glue sticks to work with it. Also, it is effective on thin metal surfaces and is not suitable for metal surfaces exceeding 1 mm. Physics design, using the principle of leverage to design the dent puller is ergonomic. The dent bridge puller with a unique arched bridge can adjust the spacing and rotate the button to better fit the dents, the efficient and labor. Widely used, suitable for any auto dents, repair door dings and hail damage and other dents. Efficient action on automobile, refrigerator, washing machine and other metal surface dents. Package information: 1 PC double pull bridge dent puller, 5 PCS black puller tab, 5 PCS blue dent puller tab, 2 PCS glue shovels, 1 PC empty bottle, 1 PC black clean cloth. Note: not glue gun and glue include. Customer service: please read the operating instructions carefully before use. If you have any questions, please contact us. We have professional team to help you with your operation.